Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming requirements. Make sure your Apple Watch runs a keyboard-capable watch OS and is paired to the iPhone. Next, open the Watch app on the iPhone and scroll to Installed Apps. Once done, find the Keyboard app or Settings and install or enable the Apple Watch Companion. If you prefer the built-in options, confirm Scribble is enabled. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth remain on during setup so the watch and phone sync properly. Now configure the keyboard. Open the Companion app on your iPhone, grant necessary permissions, and enable the Apple Watch extension. This is why the app must be installed first. Once enabled, choose Layout, Language, and Input Gestures. These options control size and recognizer behavior on the small screen. After customizing, tap Sync or Install to push the keyboard to the watch. If using Scribble, go to Watch Settings and adjust language and handwriting sensitivity so input feels natural. Finally, open any text field on the Apple Watch, then tap the keyboard icon or the Scribble area to bring up the input method. You can tap keys or write with a finger. If the keyboard doesn't appear, restart both devices and make sure the Companion app is updated and permissions still granted, then resync. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the watch extension on the iPhone. This usually clears pairing glitches and restores the keyboard functionality.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.